I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and PC at once. Enable developer options and USB debugging, then connect the phone to your computer. Use ADB and platform tools to list installed packages and pull app data. This is faster and more reliable than cloud-only methods. Once connected, run a package list export and backup APKs with ADB pull commands. Make sure to include shared storage and config files. Backing mere data now prevents lost settings after the reset. You proceed to the detailed extraction. For each app, use a DB backup or a DB execout to copy /data/data, preserving permissions and databases. If an app disallows full backup, extract the APK with a DB pull and capture its OBB or external files too. Once done, compute checksums for every APK and data archive so you can verify integrity after restore. Then compress and optionally encrypt the bundle. This keeps credentials and settings intact and safe from accidental exposure. You finish by restoring apps in the correct order. Install APKs first, then push data back and run a DB restore or use execin to place databases and prefs. After restore, adjust permissions with a DB shell chown and chmod so apps can access their files. If an app crashes, clear its cache, reinstall, and restore the database alone to isolate the issue. And if something still fails, revert to the checksum verified backups and retry the specific app restore to avoid redoing everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.